Hi guys, fairly pleased with this, one of my charity shop gold or garbage finds. HexBug Nano in a charity shop. They didn't want to sell it to me initially because they said there were a few bits missing, so you couldn't make up the complete set. They said we wouldn't be able to make up any of these, the bigger bits. Well, we've had a look. My grandsons were absolutely ecstatic when they saw it. They were really pleased because they'd been wanting to buy some in one of the toy shops, and they were very expensive, or at least for my liking anyway. So when I turned up with this, they were very pleased. Anyway, this is what we've been able to make out of the bits that were in there. There's also legs for going underneath to lift it up, but we've left it straight on the floor. So there's two hex bugs, and they both work if they haven't run the batteries down already. And yeah, 4 of these hexagonal bits. So very happy, £2. In perfect timing, because that's just what they've been trying to get us to buy while they've been staying with us on holiday. Yeah, that'll do. Grandad better stop playing with it. Run the batteries down.
Yeah, I'm out. My headphones is out. Oh no! Ah! Then my headphones is gonna come out. Come on, join them! Oh no, 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 no.
But you just got the exit to the main bit now?
No, that's it's supposed to be like a fight arena. I win! I win! How? Wait, I just jump back over. Oh my, this is perfect. These are amazing. Just let it bug. Let the bug happen. I'm gonna try. The bug happens. Did you share it? I shared the bug. I forgot. I put it upside down.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.